Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we have a special unboxing of the Holosun 407K HS 407K. Alright, and the reason I purchased this was because during my last eye examination I figured I'm going to need all the help that I can get. So I went and got this bad boy finally. Let's unbox it. Comes with, I guess, directions, manual, okay? And I'm notorious for not reading these things, all right? So we're gonna wing it, all right? All right. Let's go in here and see what we got. We got a white cloth for the optic silicone, all right? Comes with the screws, okay? Comes with a tool, okay, and the actual sight. All right, and it looks like it's on already. So let's get down to it. This is us installing it. Okay. Oh, let me get this tool, see if it'll work. If it'll work on the, nope, it won't work. Oh, let me see, will it work in there? Nope, it won't work on the 365x. So this is for the site itself. So let's see if I have a tool that might actually work to get this bad boy out. I don't know what size that is, so let's try the old T6. Okay, that seems to fit. The old T6 fits almost anything, doesn't it? Okay, let's get that off. Come on out. Oop, don't want to come out yet. Must be extra long. All right, go in here. Get the other one out. Oop, the sight came off. Okay, see if the plate will come off now. Will the plate come off? No, it's not coming off. Oh, there it is. The plate came off. Oh well. Now let's see if this bad boy fit in there like this. Alright. It went in. Now what do? Do I put this screw back in there? Or do I use the screws that came with? See, if I read the directions, I would know, right? It comes with 2 sets of screws. And it looks like they're both the same size. Okay. Which one should I use? Oh, wait a minute. Looks like one is bigger than the other. Let's look at this here. Okay. I think this might fit because this is the size of the actual original screws. Let's get those out. And what? Okay. So let's drop those in there. We got little blue Loctites on there. All right. them in there. I get the other one in too. I guess I should tighten them up as tight as I can. Okay. Well, that's that. Do I need to put this screw back in here? Nope, it won't fit in there no more. All right, so that. These are old parts. Hate to lose the rear sights, but I was told that the rear of the Holosun 407K has a little groove here that you can use in a pinch as a rear sights, but only to maybe about 5 to 10 yards. So that's that. All right, so let's put the gun back together. So that was pretty easy. Oop. Yeah. There you go. There we go. Well, don't that look pretty? Yep, that was all installed less than 7 minutes, maybe. Okay. Looking cool. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have to take this bad boy to the range and get it sighted in or zeroed. As everybody know, the Holosun comes with the side tray for the battery. Here's the windage and elevation adjustments right there, and up here that's the windage and that's the elevation. Okay, so well, let me see if I can see that dot. There we go. Looking good. I don't know if you can see the dot or not, but that's it. That's the whole installation, folks. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, you thought this video was over, huh? Well, not yet. I gotta see if this bad boy will fit in this Warrior Land holster now. After I done put this Holosun scope on there. Well, not a scope, but you know what I mean, this optic. All right, now let's see if it'll go in there. Well, what do you know? It goes in there and it fits, and there's no need for any kind of modifications. I can keep the holster and I can keep rocking, rolling down the road. How about that, huh? All right, now the video's over. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much. See you later, alligators.